Welcome to my another new video. Today I'll discuss about how to recover deleted Instagram photos. If you accidentally delete an Instagram post you want to keep, you still have access to it for 30 days and can recover it at any time. You'll need to do this from the Instagram app on iPhone or Android device, as the web browser version doesn't allow you to access deleted content. Here is a step-by-step tutorial. Step 1. Open Instagram and tap the Instagram profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile page. You can see this peak. This is the right corner 3 line. And step 2, tap the 3 line icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then step 3, tap your activity. Tap recently deleted. This will open the deleted folder. You can see there have a recently deleted file. Only you can see this post. They will be permanently deleted after the number of days shown. After that you won't be able to restore them. Step 5, select on of the deleted post, then tap the 3 dots icon in the top right corner of the screen and tap restore, then tap restore again. You can see there have a restore option. Then step 6, to either permanently restore or delete content, you will need a one-time password sent to you. This is to prevent hackers from working havoc on your profile. You can choose to have it sent to an email or phone number. You can see this. You can see this type of dialog box. Confirm it's you to restore or permanently delete content. Then step 7, after you choose where to receive the OTP, enter it in the field and tap confirm. You can see this right here, this code, and then click confirm. This will bring the photo back to your profile. You can restore pictures, reels and more this way. On the other hand, if you need to take something down from your main profile without completely deleting it, take advantage of the Instagram archive feature. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates.